Is there sound? Yes. Yes, sir. It's a bit far away, but I think
Let me check.
it's all right. Is there sound? Yes. Yes. Is there sound? Yes.
But there's no
Okay.
music.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the music on as well. This game was too long. That's why we messed up.
It was like
Almost an hour.
yeah.
But did you saw what was going on? Like we were last, then we were second, then we were praying to finish second.
But I was telling that if we've been right and here,
It was interesting game.
yeah.
Yeah, but nobody was gonna be inside, so.
But now we will have it.
Oh yeah, we could have it
It's
recorded.
not for the
Yeah,
people.
I know.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay. What? Oh. Goat.
I think now it's alright. Maybe. Yeah, I have it here. Okay, hi guys. How we can do it? No.
Oh, low.
No, I'm out of it. No. No, you're out of it. Okay, maybe if I come down to your level.
It was alright.
And we go a little bit lower, like this. There we go. Good luck.
Good luck. I won't kiss you in front of so many people.
Don't. That's thousands. That's thousands. Right, I don't have. I'm so unprepared for this life, really. I don't have my MetaTrader. I don't have anything on. What is this?
This is goat. 130. Maybe news.
Maybe news. That's news.
Maybe news, but it took Asia low, previous day low. Which can be a good thing.
Guys, if you can hear us, tell us how is the music, how is our volume, how it's everything. No, it's not made for kids, blah blah blah. Copy website address.
Won't be a good. 3rd of July. Today is 3rd of July.
Yes, indeed.
3 p.m. There's some news.
Go in Forex Factory. Check it down there.
X Factor.
Forex Factory.
Forex.
You see?
Today.
Let me see. Yes, PI. This is AM. This is gone.
And this should be 3 p.m.
1:30 p.m. So this is gone as well, I think. This is the next one, and the next one 3 o'clock. So this is 1:30. So when is this? 1:30. This is the news. Yeah, this is the news. As we can see, the news, they are with the DR. So okay, let's see what's going on now. Asian highs, Asian lows. What happened with this DR? We close above, below. We made 1 hour. We came back with the news 1:30. And now we open even higher.
New all-time high.
New all-time high. Yeah, we are up in the sky. Up in the sky. Post news.
And let's see. Gold probably.
Let's see for some S&P. Yeah, we have some small S&P at the moment. You see, look here, S&P is making new highs, taking the old highs, while the same old highs are not yet taken. On this is Nasdaq below, and this is S&P. This is on 1 minute. We're making new highs, while here we can't make new highs. You see, but this can change fast. You know, better to look at 5 minutes. What's going on? Even if you see the 5-minute candle, you see how this candle, it's like much bigger than this one. You have to do something for me. Yeah, you need to put the charger. I'm gonna put it here. Or we can put it in your... No.
My phone is with it.
That's it. Yeah, I think it's in. And this cable just like this. There we go. Hey Wolf, how you doing? Wolf is here. Wolf is my friend.
Hey Wolf.
He's been with us since the beginning. So he has special place in our hearts.
I know him.
Even my girlfriend knows you, Wolf.
After me, he's your biggest fan.
Indeed, indeed, actually. So there we go. Look right here. What we did. S&P is making new highs, taking the last 5-minute low highs, while Nasdaq is still under. You see? Let me see, where is my MetaTrader?
Probably they'll
catch up. Yeah, they'll catch up.
Yeah.
It's catching up right now.
Yeah.
So we have the 5-minute orb, guys. Let's take a look at it. I'm gonna turn off the daily candle. I'm gonna turn off this. Let me see the VWAP. VWAP is out of the map. Right. When you see VWAP like this, it makes you wanna go short.
It's possible, probably just to wait for
This long candle is the part of the orb, yeah? The long candle. I think you're watching at 5 minutes here.
Yeah, now I watch on the.
Ah, you don't watch the small one. Okay. No, it gives you sense of direction. Even the small one.
And if I want to trade 5 1-minute orb, I can trade it with this one because the first 5-minute candle it's
the orb.
Yeah.
Yes, the first 5 minutes is the orb. So this is the first 5 minutes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. But so it
Yes.
close above.
Yeah, this is the second 5 minutes. You're watching gold. It's always a pleasure. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Let's see the orb here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Actually, we're closing below on gold. Kind of ish. Yeah, we're closing below on orb. Wolf, did you manage to do some trades today? In the morning, I did one trade. And what happened? It was during the live, isn't it?
It was during the live.
During the live, and I think it hit my break even. And you made 1 hour on it or something, 1.5 hours or something like this.
Yeah.
I don't know why it didn't hit your break even. You move it to break even as well?
Yep.
Maybe better entry?
I think I move it a little bit later. But yeah, I'm almost 3%.
Not bad, not bad. You see what's interesting here? On Kick, we can see there are 2 viewers now. And we haven't opened the stream anywhere, right? I don't have Kick anywhere, you don't have Kick, so nobody's watching from us from Kick. We don't tell anybody we're in Kick.
Yeah.
So there's 2 viewers in Kick, right? And now if we ask them to write something, nobody will write something, you know. So I guess this is like a robot, or I'm not sure. But even when we're streaming other things, when we're playing games,
maybe it's possible this to be people who just
I don't know. I don't think.
watch other
I don't think.
people without commenting.
I don't think so. Guys, just type a dot. If you're there, if you're alive in Kick, just write a dot. Because I don't believe there are 2 viewers at the moment in Kick.
I vouch for you that you're real people.
I don't think. If you're real people, just put a dot. That's it. Just put a dot. But I don't believe so. Okay. We'll see now. You'll see nobody will write. It's always like this. They always say 1 viewer or 2 viewers, and there's nothing.
This what that means? Or
5 viewers in total. That means we have 3 on YouTube and 2 on Kick. So this is the total right here. Okay, but we're not here for the streaming services. Oh, Wolf is writing a dot. No, we're talking. We're streaming at the same time in Kick and on YouTube, and always in Kick there's like a couple of people watching, but they never write or they never interact. So I think they're kind of robots, or I don't know, some kind of.
I think they're real people.
She thinks they're real. Yeah, she thinks they're stalkers. I don't think they believe. I don't believe they're real, because you see they don't write anything. Even when you ask them just to write a dot.
Yeah.
So I don't think they're real.
Maybe it's from Kick. Just
Maybe
to
just
help,
for King
just
server.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's strange.
I know. We're not here to teach you this. We are here. Okay, just for the statistics, we're gonna write down that 1 minute orb has failed.
Yeah.
On gold. And on Nasdaq, we don't know yet. You said they're gonna catch up, don't you? You see? Okay. those two highs and those two highs. They're the same candles.
They tried.
And now we have a down move.
Let's.
SMT's power.
Okay, this is Nasdaq. So if the 5-minute orb close below,
Yeah.
maybe.
Well, you know, it's never a certain thing. Like it can always go back and catch up with it.
Oh,
It's
we've
never
seen,
certain.
we've
Yeah, of
seen
course, of course. Like between silver and gold, there is so much misunderstanding here with the charts. Always, it's really misleading. But Nasdaq and US 500, I think they're strong.
this place bigger. Orb.
No, still the S&P stays. I'm gonna move to the 5-minute orb now. This is the last 5-minute candle we need. The 5-minute orb. And I think Wolf is trading the first 10 minutes of the market. So he's watching the 10-minute orb. The first 10 minutes. So
For
by
example,
I
now,
think
if it close like that, he would buy.
yeah.
I like how the orb you can trade like 1 minute, 5 minutes.
I know some people doing 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm. I think I've seen 15.
15, yeah. I've seen 2 15 candles
Mm-hmm.
making 30 minutes. And then the third candle gives you the direction. The interesting thing, probably, it will be that 5-minute and 15-minute orb for Nasdaq will be the same.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's very risky to short Nasdaq at the moment with these strong moves. But look, it's out of the view up. It's out of the map. Okay, I'm gonna show you two indicators that I don't think you know. Do you know this one? PB?
No, but isn't it similar to this one boiling?
Ah, you have it on, yes, you have it on
Boiling
C-Trade.
bands.
Yes, yes, so boiling bands.
I call it the
PB.
river.
Yeah, I could just be, yeah, river, it's alright. And RSI?
Nope.
Okay, RSI shows you when price is overbought and oversold. So when the purple one goes above 70, that means it's oversold. So that means there's gonna be overbought. That means there's gonna be sales coming in.
Is it above 70 or above the yellow?
Yellow and 70 is the same. Yellow line represents the average.
Like the average price.
So usually how people are trading it, let's say it's overbought, so they start sales, and when it goes below, this is a bad example now, but when it goes below the yellow, they start selling until it goes oversold. Basically, you sell here, you buy here.
Even this can be your, you can make strategy around this indicator.
Yeah, you can use it for strategies easy.
What I'm using is the boiling bands on my C-Trader and DRI and fair value gaps.
Well, you can see them, but
Yeah.
you know, if you want to go long now, you can go just in here and you can see, oh, we are very high, right? We're very high on Bollinger, on BB. I don't know how it's called exactly, BB. And we're almost overbought, so it's not ideal to buy now. If you go on 1 minute, this will change. You see, this is a sell indicator here. But it didn't make a big move, you know, because the average of the price start to average, you know,
It's
itself.
changing.
Yes. So a smaller time frame, it's for some scalp, you know, if you sell the highs up to here. If you go on 5 minutes, this will change. 30 minutes. Whoa, 30 minutes candles. And 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, we're on the big time frame. We are really high at the moment, you know, we're overbought. Let's see something in the history. You see here, you can say, oh, we're so high, you know, I'm gonna sell here. I'm gonna sell right here.
No.
It's not working.
That's happen when it's uptrend.
That's it. When you're in a strong uptrend, you're gonna see that.
Yeah.
So, and maybe you wanna buy here, but you're gonna see this and you're gonna be like, oh, I'm not gonna buy.
When I discover boiling bands, I did this with the goat. I lost. Even I start to, how it's called when you change your stop loss.
You start to move your stop loss.
Yeah, I lose a lot, and since then I don't.
You don't use it.
Don't do shorts around all time high.
Yeah, it's not. It can't be all time high. It could be any highs. You know, this is not all time high. It could be any highs. But look at this example. Here, it worked. Like if you see this peak and you're gonna short here on this candle, you're gonna catch this whole move, which this is 1 hour. Keep in mind, this is more of a swing. This is more of a swing deal.
Yeah, overall, it looks more like a swing, and maybe it's worth it checking. Like,
so if we go here on a smaller time frame, 5 minutes, we're gonna see that we are really oversold. When is that? 25th. Oh, that's very behind. 25th of June. I don't want to look. 25th of June. That's way. Okay, 25th. There you go. This is the sale. You see? All the way down. But if you're watching the RSI below, you will see that maybe here is better. Like you can see, whoa, this is so high. It's 80.84. Whoa, I'm gonna short here. You're gonna short here and it'll take you out. And here is the better. So you can't trust this. You can't trust this.
nope.
It can give you idea, but as you can see here, you see what's going on. Whoa, it's out of the chart. You're gonna short, but no, it keep going. It keep doing new highs. So after that new highs, yeah, here it worked. Yeah, here it's away from the dashed line. It worked here as well. Here maybe it's better if you catch uptrend going undersold, you know, and you take the buy. So this is a better.
That's better.
Better example.
Okay. US will try to close above.
Be careful, we have news soon in 10 minutes.
I don't trade.
I don't think we're gonna take trade until the news. You see, this is what I'm telling you. 2 on YouTube, 2 on Kick. Nobody is riding in Kick, so probably they're not real. And we have Wolf with us on YouTube and somebody else. Don't watch this. This is just a preview. I don't know why it stops moving. But it's just a preview. But this is live, like the minutes and the viewers.
So And Wolf is also trading personal account and funded account?
I'm not sure. Wolf, can you give us some information?
Yeah.
What do you trade, personal or funded? If it's funded, is it still a challenge or you managed to pass one?
Yeah. And
Which company as well? Sunny here. This is my girlfriend Sunny. She's trading FTMO, and I think you like it.
I like it. That's my second account. The first one I blow it for 2 months, I think, which is
Yeah, and she's trading since Christmas time ish.
around Christmas I start
Learning.
yeah.
And she managed to blow account for 3 months or something like this. Like I remember my first account, probably I blow it for 2 days.
Yeah.
Maybe 2 days, yeah.
I'm not sure. Is it because I'm too scared to go into trades, or I don't know.
No, you had your ups and downs. You had your ups and downs.
Yeah, my up and my down was like...
Yeah, it's like this in the beginning. Don't make
So it,
now.
it will be interesting to learn about the other people, if they're funded, like how many accounts it takes. It took them to get funded.
Yeah. It's important to say that she is not trading with me every day. Most of the time, even you trade alone. Maybe around Christmas we traded with me, and we had a very bad run.
I think
January.
Christmas.
Yeah, January we had a bad run.
After that, I watch different like YouTubers.
Yeah, yeah.
It wasn't for me.
Yeah. I think
like,
Wolf is out.
Yeah.
Now we can close here. One, two, three. There we go.
New all-time high.
You asked me about this about this book. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can see on your charts now, you stay here and you don't know when you're gonna break it, right? So
but
when I pull it,
see it, but like that I'm confused. Is it closed or...
Okay, so in that case for you we're better if you use lines like this maybe.
And you see, I see it. Like
you see, maybe you can use lines like this.
I see it. Up. And if it's like after 5 candles, I don't count this. I want a sooner closure.
You have your own rules, I have my own rules.
To be honest, on the C trader, it's the best for me. It's very clean.
You like it? The grid? You like the grid?
I like the grid. Close above we have news, so
5 more minutes for news.
I will put in my diary no, not applicable because of the news. Rules are rules. News. Good.
Where is he trader?
4 minutes.
I think we had the music and I stopped it for some reason. again.
Wolf is writing, sorry, I was having dinner. I trade personal and prop account. Oh, that's amazing. So the prop account, how long it took you to pass?
Is it a past one or?
Oh yeah, it can be.
It will be a challenge.
Like the most famous providers are FTMO and Step, right?
Depends where you are, really. It depends where you are. Because FTMO is not on the States. Having a dinner? 3 o'clock here, so...
Wow.
No, he's not in the States as well because...
No, in the States it's...
oh, he said he's in Dubai.
Yeah. About 2 weeks to pass. Wow.
About 2 weeks to pass?
But it took a few years to get
here. Yeah. I'm saying the same to her.
Oh, so it's normal.
Yes, I'm saying the same to her because she tried. She was like feeling bad that she failed her first challenge. And I was like, this is the most normal thing. People you know, trade. I trade from so many years. You know, it's normal. It's normal.
I imagine like a couple of challenges and I'll be there.
You have such a big head start because you started with me. When I started, I didn't have any information, you know? And back then there was nothing online as well.
That's true, you're a good teacher.
There we go. So you have a heads up. Yeah.
That's why I have high hopes and high standards.
But it's normal, you need to fail a challenge, you know. After that you're gonna pass one and you're gonna lose it.
Probably.
You know, but you're gonna be one step higher and one step higher. Okay, we have candle closure above, but we have views.
Yeah, we have it like...
in a minute.
What is happening with gold?
6 Fridays here. It's 6 p.m. here. Yeah, he told me he's in Dubai. He's in Dubai.
Enjoying.
I failed over 30 challenges.
You?
No. Whoa.
Yeah, because
no, maybe I failed maybe around the same number. No, yeah, 10, 20, something like this. Yeah, around the same number.
About around 10.
Yeah. Where are the news?
It's normal.
Where are the news? Nothing special.
Nothing.
I see. Yeah, just a little candle. Okay, not little candle. Decent candle. Wolf, do you have a full-time job in Dubai? And tell us something more about Dubai. Like, why did you went there? Do you like it?
How many years you live?
How many years you've been there?
Maybe it's time to visit.
Yeah, it's very popular. It was very popular actually a couple years ago.
I think now it's still
popular.
Yeah.
I know it's very safe there. This is one thing I know.
Yeah, that's what we've heard.
And I know you're tax-free there as well.
That's a good thing as well.
Especially for a trader or any kind of business. 0.5 break even.
Like tax-free of the money that...
Yeah, your income. Your income. You don't pay income tax.
If we entered, it's break even, but anyway.
We don't enter before news.
And probably won't do one.
Yes, Dubai is very good and very hot. I work as a recruitment consultant full-time and trade on the side. I've been here for 2 months, so very new to it at all. Recruitment consultant, what is this?
It can be like for
anything.
Recruitment for a job or recruitment for other stuff. It sounds like a good job, to be honest.
So if I lose all my money in my personal account and I fail all my challenges, we can start work there with you. You recruit us.
Yeah.
This is our plan B. This is our plan B.
You can.
Let's go. We are selling here. Let's short. Let's short this.
Wow. Whoa.
Yeah, he's from Australia.
Australia, it's no for me.
No, because of the spiders.
Yes.
Sunny here, she hates spiders.
No, I don't hate them. I have a phobia. But almost 1 hour.
We never been to Australia as well.
No.
Maybe because of the spiders. Okay, gold break below. Maybe. Maybe.
I'm mistaken, or the gold was uptrending today?
No, it's been trading down. The DR closed below. The news push it even further. The news.
I remember. You remember that fair value that I told you, 4 hours.
So this is a swing that you didn't take, and you predicted that.
Yeah. I don't predict it exactly, but
this is supply and demand.
Yeah.
This is what your friend Bern is trading. Shout out to Bern.
It's not my friend, but I'm planning to watch a video or two. But you know, I was invited to some group.
Bern group.
Yeah, so they sent me.
Bern is in Dubai as well.
Yeah, they sent me SMS. I think it was WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So I went to Zoom, but it was strange. He was answering questions, and I
remember. You were trying to ask something.
The chat was locked.
Yeah.
Yeah, good swing.
This is what Bern gonna teach you. Bern gonna show you this fair value gap and gonna tell you this is
head and shoulders.
Yes.
What?
This is actually reverse head and shoulders. This is shoulder, this is head, and now we're making the other shoulder.
Yeah.
No, we're making the other shoulder now. Yeah. So you can expect. Yeah.
I'm not familiar with patterns.
I know them. I don't use them. This is one of the first things I learned when I start.
Yeah.
Patterns.
So this will be.
You stack almost 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to our friend Bern, and shout out to our 2 streamers in Kick who watch Stalkers, how we call them, stalkers. 2 stalkers in stream in kick. Maybe they don't have a keyboard.
Yeah.
Maybe they have just a computer with a mouse.
Maybe can you watch, and if you don't have an account, maybe you're not able.
I have no idea how kick
Right,
works. I have no idea.
Overall, what we are waiting for? Like maybe some reversal unicorn. But
Honestly,
this will be like
nothing. I think nothing.
this will be.
What we can take.
Look.
What we can take is a short here on gold. This is something we can take. But those highs, they're not protected at all.
Protected means.
That means they're not protected. That means the price won't go back here. They're not protected. The protected high is this one.
But
your stop loss will be very high because you're in a fair value gap here, where the price can do this. It can be low, high, low, and then start from here the move.
I guess that's value gap is too small, yeah, to protect.
No. Even those highs are not protected. I'll tell you why. Because that's it. This is news liquidity. Yay! Good job. Neos highs.
I'm waiting. We're just observing.
What is my orb? Yeah, that's it. We're just observing, watching the market.
Wait, that's the harder part.
You know, you don't need to be in a trade all the time. You know that.
And I'm against.
Overtrade. Yeah, I know.
Sometimes I think I overtrade.
Sometimes you don't take a trade, you think you overtrade. What do you think about something like this? With very small stop loss. If it breaks above this. With very small stop loss. If it breaks above. Like the highs and start the move from here. Or we can jump. No, it's too late to jump on anything here. If we want to jump on these buys,